Hey traders, a very quick one on natural gas and gold today. So without wasting any time, let's quickly start our analysis with natural gas here. So as per my yesterday's video, I have said that if the market break above this yellow zone, then I'm expecting some bullish move, which we get here. Right here, we got some bullish move. And after the break, I just want to see how far it can go. Let's check with our Fibonacci retracement here, right here. So as you can see, the market testing our 50% retracement. And right now it's in our buffer zone. So looking at that, market is not breaking below this buffer zone. I'm expecting another bullish candle from here. So once we get a bullish candle at this zone, between this zone right here, which is from 4.879 and it goes up to 4.9 and 1. I actually count 25% retracement as well. You can do 4.849 and it goes up to 4.9 and 1. So between this zone, once we get a bullish candle between this zone, then we are good to take a long entries. And also looking at daily time frame, if you remember 2-3 videos ago, we took an entry based on this engulfing candle, which is still intact. And looking at that, the market is still bullish and we can expect more bullish moves from natural gas. So once we get a bullish candle, you can take targets up to at least for 5.097 and it can go up to 5.161. We are also getting this bullish MACD cross. So looking at that, it looks like the market is going to move up from this zone. Of course, once we get an entry confirmation, do not enter without an entry confirmation. Just wait for a next green candle to take long entries. On Awanda, it's same. As you can see, we are getting this bullish crossover from MACD right here. And on 4-hour time frame, we got this pin bar between our zone right here. I normally set up my buy stop order few pips above, and I can expect the market to hit at least 5.114 from this zone. Of course, just wait for a next bullish candle from here to take long entries. Let's say if we do not get any sort of entry reason from this zone, we can then expect market to hit 50 EMA, which is right here. So we are in between the zones, but the market has broken above the previous high and we're getting a pullback. With that being said, we expect further bullish move from the zone. Too many lines here. Let's check gold. Okay, so gold after a nice entry right here, I was expecting market to give us an entry here to take short trades, but we didn't get any sort of entry reason. So what I'm expecting from gold, another move up in this zone and a bearish candle from this zone. Once we get a move up, I'll take short entries. Whatever the ATR is telling us, I will take my targets accordingly. So just wait for the market to hit our green zone here to take short entries. So that's all for now, guys. Any questions, bust me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. Till then, take care.